Let's talk about your LinkedIn profile URL and how you can use that to create value and improve your brand. So why does your LinkedIn profile URL matter? Well, first of all, a professional URL, one that you have customized, makes you look more credible and trustworthy. It shows you care about your presence, and it makes it easier to share with others. And it is the link to everything about you on LinkedIn. So how do you customize your LinkedIn profile URL? Well, first of all, you view your LinkedIn profile. This is the easiest way. You click on contact information, then you click on that pencil, then you click on the URL, your LinkedIn profile URL, and that's how you go customize it. It's really pretty easy to do this step. Now here's some tips for a professional LinkedIn profile URL. Keep it short and simple. Best practice is to use your name and nothing else. Example, T.L. Burris, maybe Teddy Burris, or Teddy L. Burris. Depends on what's available for you. Avoid special characters and numbers. Make it just your ID. Don't use your role, your company name, or your industry in your URL. Make it about you, because your LinkedIn profile URL goes with you wherever you go and whatever you do. And once you set your LinkedIn profile, never change it again, because once you start using it, you don't want to change it and lose what marketing refers to as that SEO value. And you want to make your URL stand out. Don't get lost in a long list of Adams. If your last name is Adams or Smith, consider using Teddy A instead of Teddy Adams 1 or Teddy Adams 2 or Teddy T Adams NC. Make it stand out. Make it about you. The other thing is, don't rush to make a decision. Write down some ideas and experiment with them first. And once you have a few ideas, you might try typing them in to a web page to see if they show up. Example, mine's T.L. Burris, but I also tried Teddy LB. So type in some URLs and see which ones come up that they don't exist. If they don't exist, that means it's available. And then you can refine your list and get more focused on something that you can use. And again, don't use the industry, role, or company in your URL. Make it about you, the human. Now, you want to use your LinkedIn profile URL as often as you can. Add your URL to your email signature. Alternatively, when you go to comment on blog posts, you switch between your website URL and your LinkedIn profile URL. It's called backlinks. When you comment on blog posts that ask for your website URL, but not all of them do, but many do, then it makes a great way to get your website, your LinkedIn profile URL out on other sites. Called backlinks. Include the URL in your blog posts, in your YouTube channel information, in your YouTube video descriptions. Even put it on your Facebook profile. Anywhere that you can share links relevant to you, you want to share your LinkedIn profile URL. Again, it's called backlinks. Get it out there wherever you can. You might want to create your LinkedIn profile URL as a QR code. Use the simple QR code generators. Bitly has them. Others are available. You don't need to pay for it. You don't need to customize it with your logo, et cetera, unless you want to spend that money, but you don't need to. Add this QR code to your printed material, your brochures, your flyers, the back of your business card. Add it to presentations. Help others find you quickly and easily. Most people know how to use a QR code nowadays. Again, some of the benefits of personalizing your URL. It increases brand recognition. It shows you're more approachable. It increases the opportunity for your LinkedIn profile to show up in LinkedIn search and Google search, especially when you put your URL out wherever you can, including backlinks. It becomes easier for you to remember and easier for you to share on other platforms and easier for clients to find you. Improve your brand by customizing your LinkedIn profile URL. Get it out there wherever you can, because you want to show people that you're a little different and a little better than most LinkedIn members, and you're accessible and you're open to conversations.